Hello everyone. So here it is one more proof of concept for explaining a reflected type of XSS, a RXSS. So what happens in reflected XSS is whenever a user gives input to the web application will take that input, interpret it and basically reflect it. In this case, when we are going to give an input that is going to be our XSS payload, the application will take that input and instead of reflecting it, it is going to execute it. If any application is executing the arbitrary supplied payload or input, then the application is vulnerable to XSS in case of JavaScript execution. So let's see this. As you can see, there is a search field. I'm going to type Hacktify into the search field right now. Along with this, I'm going to give the simple basic payload that we know, that is script alert1 script tag close, and I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, the application executed our payload, which means this application is vulnerable to a reflected XSS attack. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.